first asked if they had ever heard the term density. Very few actually knew what density was, but knew what a hypothesis was. The materials we used were honey, butadiene solution, oil, water paint, a brush, beakers, ice cubes, and a spoon. We first poured the honey into the beaker, then colored the water with water paint, then poured the colored water on the honey, followed by oil, butadiene solution, and ice cubes. I asked the kids if they could make predictions on which substances would have the greater densities. After each substance, the kids would stir the solution to see if the different substances moved up or down the beaker despite their densities. The children were fascinated on how the solutions would come back into the same order and placement as they did before they were mixed. They also started to understand that the solutions with higher densities would end at the bottom of the beaker. Originally, many children didn't know that actually ice was less denser than water. They also found that even if they placed a higher density solution on top of a less denser solution, the higher density of the solution would push down on the other solutions and still end up at the bottom of the beaker. Our conclusion was that according to the placement of the substances, the list of densities from highest to lowest was honey, butadiene solution, water, ice, and oil. I hope that by doing this lesson they know a little bit more about density.